We gotta get back inside the ship and stop them.
Airlock secure.
You, take me to my brother. The rest of you, stay here and make sure we aren't followed.
You heard her, lady. Let's go. We're on the clock.
She's escaping.
Warning. Pyrocytic bombs detected in ship.